Have you ever bent metal due to too much force on standoffs? Well, today we're going to explore why this happens and what to do about it. Normally, you attach a standoff to metal with a single screw. This is strong enough for lightweight options as the metal is relatively hard to bend. However, the moment you try to put too much force on it, it bends and gives away. Because the force exerted on the standoff is stronger than the forces holding the metal straight, so the metal just gives way to the stronger force and it bends. But how do you stop this from happening? Well, for high stress locations on C channels, you can put a screw straight through the entire C channel with a half and 3/8 inch spacer in between the two sides. Now, when force is applied to the standoff, it does not bend. This is because if the standoff bent, the outer metal of the C channel would have to be stretched in order to accommodate the pivoting of the standoff. However, it is extremely tough to stretch aluminum or steel, so the standoff stays straight. However, if even more force is applied, the screw holding the standoff can bend, as it is now easier to bend that than the metal. But screws are also much easier to replace than metal. Even so, at this point, you would want to look at ways to reinforce your structure in order to prevent many screws from bending. But what if you're not attaching the standoff to a C-channel? What you can do is bolt a C-channel to the back of the plate you're mounting the standoff on and mount a screw through the C-channel and the plate. This stops the C-channel from bending, as explained before. And since the C-channel is bolted to the plate at many places, it is harder for the plate to bend, as the force at each point is lessened due to the large surface area of contact with the C-channel, which takes the force of the standoff. Alternatively, for a lighter, less robust method, you can stack 1-bys behind the plate and put a screw through all of them. This spreads the force over a large area, thereby reducing the force on a single point, and it therefore prevents bending to a certain degree. Team 315X thanks you for watching this video, and we hope you learned a lot from it.